Hi, Nadim Ganesh here. We have a new unboxing video. What are we gonna unbox? The RedPitaya STEMLab starter kit. Excited about it. Let's get started. Wow, that is super cool. What do we have at the first? Okay. Nice. Different kind of adapters. EU, US, Japan, and everything. This is what you wanted. This is the Indian standard. EU type plug. Okay. Rest here. Here we have the RedPitaya STEMLab starter kit board itself. This is STEMLab125-10 board. Wow, beautiful. Let's look more into it later. Keeping it here. What more do we have? Seems like there is another layer in there. Okay. Wow, that's so cool. We have a LAN cable through which we can connect the RedPitaya board to our PC. Next comes the power brick. Wow. This is cool. Oh, I haven't seen this kind of power adapter. So we'll have to plug it in like this. Okay. Yeah, it locks there. So here comes the 5 volt 2 amp, that is 10 watt output power. Nice. Here is set of few connectors and terminators. Okay, there is a T adapter. This would be nice. Then this is a 50 ohm terminator. See, one end is SMA and other end is terminated fully. It's a 50 ohm terminator. Then the SMA to BNC. Yeah, all these SMA to X adapters are needed because we have these two input and output terminals over RedPitaya, and we'll have to connect it to, convert it to BNC to connect the probes. So this is a cool piece of adapter. Nice. Next we have another T adapter. This may come to use very much. Cool. What else? Wow, thanks for providing the SD card and adapters so that we can flash the image into it. Nice. One more thing left, the very important one. Probes are like adapter from any test tool to the real world. So these are the key things. First, let's see what are these. Okay, I guess these are for marking different channels because we'll have to distinguish with colors. Okay. Next comes the real probe. Wow, there are two of them, 2 channel probes. Okay. Oh, here lies another SMA adapter. Cool. And keeping it here. Let's see what more is in this. Okay, the adapter, the manual for the probe. Why Pioneer? Looks like a nice quality probe. Okay. This version is, I'm not sure which version is this. Probably the RedPitaya goes till 50 MHz, and so we'll have this one P6060, which can handle up to like 60 MHz bandwidth. Anyways, let's keep it aside. the manual. Okay, concentrating on the probes. I'll take one of these. Okay, the quality seems really nice. And the ground one. And this goes to the BNC connector like this, and that to the RedPitaya. Okay, that seems like a nice adapter. Oh, how do I pull this out even? Okay. No, on the other side. Pull out. Okay. Yeah. Oh, another thing which I surprisingly found was, yeah, these probes are RedPitaya marked, like they're branded RedPitaya. Nice. That's cool. So these are the things we have in this starter kit. 2 probes, then the terminator, T-joints, and 2 of the terminators, T-joint and BNC to SMA adapters. Then we have few channel marking small kind of indicators. The HD card to boot up different types of connectors. This is surprising to see because usually they won't have this variety of connectors kept, variety of adapters kept for different plug, but it's good to see we have the really required one in here connected. The power brick is really small and it can handle up to 2 amp, so that's what is needed for our RedPitaya board, and comes the main board itself. Oh, and we have the LAN cable, which is very much useful because this is how we connect. One way is to connect the dongle, other through this LAN cable, or it's possible to connect this LAN cable to the router and access it on your PC through this IP address, or the IP address which comes. This is the port address of this, which comes in default. Okay, this heatsink, I see small springs here. Let me see why are those. Okay, they detach it. Anyways, I don't want to pull this out. There's a powerful Xilinx Zinc 7010 SoC in here, and we need proper heat shielding for it. That's why we have this zinc. Anyways, these are the things that come with the starter kit. STEMLab starter kit by RedPitaya. RedPitaya is kind enough to send me this as a part of student program for free. So I'll have to do a nice little project which I have planned and use RedPitaya's power to accomplish the project. Anyways, this is a cool, nice little guy over here. Oscilloscope / signal analyzer / signal generator / logic analyzer, and there are a lot many apps, and this is just a hardware. There are tons of software which can go into it, and we can do amazing kind of application with this. I'm excited.